Welcome back. I'm now going to teach you how to do a simple revolve, which is under this box here, the first box on the left next to hole and extrude. So first thing we're going to do is we want to draw an object, so we're going to revolve around this axis here. So to be able to revolve, you want to keep a gap in the middle, so we'll just draw a rectangle there. And now what we want to do is click revolve. We've got the profile, which is automatically selected. That's obviously the only one there. And then the axis, press that there. And what you've got is different types. So you've got two objects, full rotation, which is 360 degrees, and then partial, where you can select the angle. So obviously 360 will be full rotation, obviously creating that little cylinder shape we've got there. Let's say we put in 180, obviously that creates half, so half a cylinder. And again, we can do, let's say you want something random, 95 degrees, let's say that, there you go, 95, or 60, there you go. Obviously again you can select join, that will create it as one body with existing components. Cut, obviously that will cut into the existing components and bodies. You've got new body and new component, and then we'll just select new body for this sake and press OK, and there you go. That is how you do a revolve in Fusion 360. Thanks for watching.